guys, got an unboxing here. This is the ECX Temper Gen 2. It's 18 scale, has a 380 size 32 turn brushed motor. It retails for $169.99. I got this from my local hobby shop here at Hobbytown. Let's check it out. I like the color. I'm a big fan of yellow. Has a metal frame body cage type. Looks like real beadlocks. The tires are super soft. Like, feel really good. Spectrum servo here. That new one that's coming in all their ready to run cars. Let me get some scissors here real quick. It looks pretty sweet. For $169, man, it's a pretty good deal. In the box, you get your radio. This radio's been around for a long time. You got your standard throttle trims, dual rates, still reverse, stuff like that. 4 AA batteries. They do include 4 batteries for you, a little wall charger, bind plug, shock spacers, and the manual. Here's got all that stuff anyways. Let's check this out. Let's see if you zoom in a little bit. Solid axles. They are locked. Metal links. The drive shafts are plastic, telescoping type, you know, like how Traxxas did theirs. There's your brushed motor. Your electronics are all in one. Receiver, speed control. Got your switch here. This light, this LED light, is pretty sweet. Let's see if it powers up here. I gotta charge your battery. The battery is right there. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, my lighting's terrible. Let's take these clips off. It's a 900 milliamp nickel metal hydride, EC3 connector. I'm trying to think what kind of LiPo I could fit in there. Boo, battery's dead. Gotta charge it. It's pretty cool. I like the hood. This thing is pretty nice, man. For $169, Has universals in the front. I don't know if you can see that. Metal C-hubs. Articulation's awesome. But yeah, there you go, guys. $169.99 ECX Temper Gen 2. Metal body frame, all-in-one, LED light. Let's see it in action pretty soon. Looks awesome.